On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss mutable and immutable concepts in TypeScript. In TypeScript, values can be classified as mutable or immutable based on their mutability. This time, we will explain each concept in detail and introduce practical code examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. Mutable means that a value can be changed. Reference types such as objects and arrays are typical examples of mutable data structures. In this code, the age property of the person object is changed from 25 to 26. Since objects are passed by reference, the contents at the memory address stored in the person variable are modified. In this code, the push method is used to add a new element, 4, to the original array. This modifies the original array, making it a mutable operation. When performing mutable operations inside a function, the original array is also modified. Immutable means that a value cannot be changed. Primitive types are fundamentally immutable. Attempting to change the first character of the string, str, to h, fails because strings are immutable. Since numbers are immutable, operations inside a function do not affect the original variable. Arrays are mutable, but by creating a new array instead of modifying the original one, immutable operations can be achieved. Here, the spread syntax is used to create a new array, new numbers. Since the original numbers array remains unchanged, this is an immutable operation. Immutable data does not change, making unexpected modifications less likely and reducing the chance of bugs. Libraries such as React and Redux are often designed based on immutable data, making state management easier when used appropriately. Object freeze can be used to prevent modifications to an object. However, object freeze only performs a shallow freeze, meaning that properties of nested objects remain mutable. To create a completely immutable object, a deep freeze is required. Mutable data is modifiable, and includes objects and arrays. Immutable data is unmodifiable, and includes primitive types such as strings and numbers. Using spread syntax or methods like map, immutable data operations can be performed. Object freeze and deep freeze can be used to prevent modifications to objects. Using immutable data helps write more predictable and less error-prone code. Adopting an immutable design improves code safety and readability, so make full use of it. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the content of this channel, please consider subscribing.